Sino? Oh, dyan naman ang nanay niya eh. Ikunin niya. Ako na naman. The more you say no, the more he's gonna do it. Mm.
Come on, let's go. The more you do that now, the more she'll get.
Yeah.
Paano pag tumalo si Kobe, habulin mo? Tatalong ka din.
Si Tyler nga, hinabol ko. Nabasa din ako eh. Sabi, kunin mo. Ganun lang silang dalawa.
Umikot na naman si ano. Umikot.
Where'd you go? Where's the other one? Ah, ayun.
Zoomies, come on.
Sumis na. Lab, pag napakan niya yung tayo niya dito ha, ikaw magpunas ng paa ha. Tumayo si Tyler dito, hindi niya pinapulot eh. Saan na yun? Tapos napaakan mo pala Ate Angel.
Hindi na tinitingnan ko.
Dito din kami pag may ano, nung snow last time. Nag-open pa sila.
Hey.
It's okay, come here.
Raven, it's a big doggy, come on. Raven, you scared?
Hi.
Come here, baby. Big doggy?
It's okay.
Dylan's the last dog to be afraid of. She's such a. She just wants to be everybody's pal. Yeah.
Oh, that's not cute, no?
Hey, hey.
Feisty.
It's okay. Raven.
She doesn't get this.
Yeah.
Whining. Okay, whiner. Why?
Oh, you got caught in the middle.
It's okay.
It's okay. Raven, look. Look.
Here you go. See?
It's okay. No.
She's not sure.
She's like a little.
Are you too? No. You're old enough. Come on. Keep walking. Keep walking. Bye-bye. Have a good day, guys. Love. Sabihin ko sana go Bills. Naka-Bills. Tinan mo yung Bills cup ko. Hey, 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 hey. Wala akong phone eh. May dogs na naman.